everyone. Welcome to FlowSpace 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today we are learning Orange Level Unit 16. We will study 12 new vocabulary words. The words are adorn, appropriate, assemble, colossal, effective, frail, hostage, landslide, rampage, scamper, symptom, and warrant. Let's read, think, and learn together. Let's get started. Our first word is adorn. Say it with me, adorn. Adorn is a verb. It means to add to the appearance of something, especially with pretty objects. It can also mean to dress up or decorate. For example, fresh flowers and beautiful linens adorn the dining room table. Another example is lights adorn the hallway for the party. Some synonyms are decorate, ornament, beautify, and enhance. Some antonyms are damage, mar, and blemish. What do people use to adorn a room? How do you adorn a place for a special day? Our next word is appropriate. Say it with me, appropriate. Appropriate can be a verb and an adjective. As a verb, appropriate means to take over or use as one's own, often without permission. It can also mean to set apart for a certain purpose. As an adjective, appropriate means suitable or fitting. For example, a brother or sister may appropriate your favorite book. Another example is, it is appropriate to wear a warm hat in the winter. Some synonyms are seize, confiscate, steal, correct, and proper. Some antonyms are unfitting, unsuitable, inappropriate, and improper. When is clothing appropriate? Why is it wrong to appropriate someone else's things? Our next word is assemble. Say it with me, assemble. Assemble is a verb. It means to meet or bring together. It can also mean to put or fit parts together. For example, on Thanksgiving, family members assemble to enjoy a holiday feast. Another example is, we assembled the model airplane with small tools. Some synonyms are convene, gather, congregate, build, construct, join, and connect. Some antonyms are scatter, break up, disperse, separate, and divide. What things do you need tools to assemble? Why do people assemble for special events? Our next word is colossal. Say it with me, colossal. Colossal is an adjective. It means amazingly large, great, or powerful in size or degree. For example, the colossal pyramid at Chichen Itza in Mexico was built about 1,000 years ago. Another example is, a colossal wave crashed near the shore. Some synonyms are enormous, huge, gigantic, massive, and immense. Some antonyms are tiny, small, and little. What animals are colossal? What is the biggest object you have ever seen? Our next word is effective. Say it with me, effective. Effective is an adjective. It means producing a desired result. It can also mean having a strong impact. For example, the team that makes the most effective presentation will win the debate. Another example is, this study method is very effective for me. Some synonyms are capable, potent, impressive, striking, and compelling. Some antonyms are ineffective, futile, useless, and weak. What makes a presentation effective? What is an effective way to study? Our next word is frail. Say it with me, frail. Frail is an adjective. It means weak or lacking strength. It can also mean delicate or easily broken. For example, we sent cards to children who are in frail health. Another example is, the frail branch broke in the wind. Some synonyms are delicate, feeble, sickly, slight, fragile, flimsy, brittle, and breakable. Some antonyms are sturdy, robust, hardy, healthy, firm, strong, and solid. How can we help someone who is frail? What objects are too frail to handle roughly? Our next word is hostage. Say it with me, hostage. Hostage is a noun. A hostage is a person held prisoner by another person or group in order to force demands to be met. For example, the bank robber took one hostage. Another example is, the police worked to rescue the hostage safely. Some synonyms are captive, prisoner, and pawn. Some antonyms are free person, freedom, and liberty. Why do people try to save hostages quickly? How can people solve conflicts peacefully? Our next word is landslide. Say it with me, landslide. Landslide is a noun. It means a fast downhill movement of rocks or soil. It can also mean a victory by a very large amount. For example, heavy rain caused a landslide on the hillside. Another example is, the candidate won the election by a landslide. Some synonyms are avalanche and earthslide. Some antonyms are stable ground, balance, and close race. What can cause a landslide in nature? What does it mean to win by a landslide? Our next word is rampage. Say it with me, rampage. Rampage can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, rampage means to rush around wildly or violently. As a noun, rampage means wild, reckless, or violent behavior. For example, a frightened herd may rampage. Another example is, the town recovered after the rampage. Some synonyms are rage, riot, frenzy, uproar, and turmoil. Some antonyms are calm, peace, order, and self-control. Why do animals or crowds sometimes rampage? How can people stay calm in emergencies? Our next word is scamper. Say it with me, scamper. Scamper is a verb. It means to run or move quickly in a light and playful way. For example, children usually scamper around a playground. Another example is, the puppy scampered after the ball. Some synonyms are dash, scurry, hurry, scoot, and romp. Some antonyms are stroll, lumber, lag, and dawdle. Where do children usually scamper? What animals scamper quickly? Our next word is symptom. Say it with me, symptom. Symptom is a noun. It means a sign of illness or a physical problem. It can also mean a sign that something else exists or is happening. For example, a fever is one symptom of the flu. Another example is, smoke can be a symptom of a fire problem. Some synonyms are signal, clue, indication, and evidence. Some related antonyms are health, recovery, and solution. What are some common cold symptoms? Why is it important to notice symptoms early? Our last word is warrant. Say it with me, warrant. Warrant can be a noun and a verb. As a noun, warrant means a written order that allows legal action. As a verb, warrant means to justify, approve, guarantee, or serve as a reason for something. For example, the judge signed a warrant. Another example is, the deep cut may warrant stitches. Some synonyms are authorization, permit, justify, certify, and authorize. Some antonyms are forbid, ban, reject, and disapprove. Who can issue a warrant? What kinds of situations warrant help right away? Great job today. You learned 12 new vocabulary words in Orange Level Unit 16. Let's read them one more time. Adorn, appropriate, assemble, colossal, effective, frail, hostage, landslide, rampage, scamper, symptom, and warrant. Keep practicing these words. Use them in your own sentences to help remember them. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next unit. Bye.